All right, I wanted to make a video for you so that you know what to pack for our camp out and how to pack it in your backpack. So I'm just gonna go through how I prepare my gear, and that will be useful for you as you prepare your gear. So first of all, I'll go through what everything is, and then I'll show you how to pack it in the backpack. First of all, I've got a backpack. You can get one of these pretty cheap at Walmart if you need a backpacking pack, but you should have one that can fit all of your gear in it. It doesn't have to be fancy, and it doesn't have to be very big, just big enough to fit everything that you need for an overnight trip. Next, going through the list, I have a sleeping pad. This will keep you warm at night so that the cold ground doesn't suck your body temperature out. This is my tent, all packed up. This is my sleeping bag, all packed up. These are the poles for the tent and the ground cover so that it keeps it dry if it rains or there's condensation. Next, I have rain gear, which is rain pants and a rain jacket. So that way, if it rains, I don't have to get wet. For cooking, I've got a pot, a little miniature stove, fuel for that stove, a water filter so that we can have something to drink, and then I have these little tiny things that I carry with me. A bandana to help clean things out after I've eaten. I've got toilet paper and hand sanitizer, a toothbrush, toothpaste, some earplugs, Kleenex, and then seasonings for the food. And then last, all of these little things which are very important. Chapstick so that your lips don't get chapped in the sun. I've got a flashlight, headlamp so that I can hike with it, a pocket knife, and again, doesn't have to be very big, just a simple pocket knife, a lighter, and a spoon. And all of that is gonna go inside of my backpack. So first, what I like to do is pick the heaviest or largest item, which in this case is my sleeping bag, and I'm gonna stuff that into the base of the backpack, all the way down to the bottom of it, and get that filled in. Next thing I'm gonna do is put my tent in. I'm gonna put it in straight ways up like this so that there's room for other things. I'll put my sleeping pad next to that. On the front of the pack here, I'll put my rain gear right up here so that it's easy to access in case it starts to rain. I also carry a trash bag inside of my, like a big trash bag inside of my backpack so that if it rains, I can put that on the outside of the backpack to keep everything dry. Keep my poles on the outside like that. All of these little things here, I like to keep those in this front pouch right up top so that I can get to them easily when I need them. And I keep the stove up there too, just to keep it safe. Zip that up. All of these little trinkets that I showed you, I keep those right in this little hip pouch here so that they're easy to access anytime I need them. And that just zips up really tight. And then the last couple things are my pot, the stove, the fuel, and the water filter. Now, I don't have my water bottles here, but they will go in on the side. You should bring 2 liters worth of water with you on the backpacking trip. I'll put the cooking pot right in here. Put the fuel on top as well. And then I like to keep the water purifier right out here in the front so that it's there when I need it. Okay. And then this front part just clips in. And in less than 5 minutes, you've got your whole pack ready to go on a backpacking trip. Look forward to seeing you guys on Friday.